So we can cross hair and a little bit of skincare off my checklist. The next thing I wanted to do is show you guys everything that I picked up for like other people for Christmas. So we're gonna do like a Christmas haul here. I still need to buy like all the gift bags and everything like that, but let me show you guys what I picked up. So this one is going to be for my mom, and it is the Lomels, and this is the shade that she was kind of eyeing. There was another one in a like darker cream shade, but I forgot what was the problem with that one. I can't remember, but we couldn't get that one. And then we saw this one and she fell in love with the color, so this is what I picked up for her for Christmas. And this is another thing that I picked up, which are these really cute UGG sneakers. This is gonna be for my niece. Look how cute. Oh, I got this from my brother. So a North Face slides, which he actually needed slides, and we got him, or my sister-in-law got him, a black one, but this one's navy, and I just thought that if he wanted to wear it with something else, it would look nice too. And I did pick this up as like a little add-on for my dad. I just got him a pair of gloves, and then I am adding this with a mug that I got him, as well as whatever else. It's just gonna be all together. I also got this, and this one's from Francesca's, yes, and it's just like a perfume called Flower Child. And me and my sister-in-law was smelling it, and she and myself fell in love with the smell. So I got it for her, for it could be like a little add-on to whatever else I'm getting her. And then the last thing are these shoes from Nike. Let me just show you guys. And these are gonna be for my nephew. I just thought that, I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think this is the color of his uniform, so, or black. It's either gray or black, so I just figured this would match with his uniform. And then I wanted to show you guys everything that I got today, which is only 2 things, but I was like, you know what? I need to treat myself just a little bit. I feel like I've been buying for everyone else for like the last 3 weeks. So decided to treat myself today, and this is what I picked up from I was gonna say Ulta for some reason. This is what I picked up from Sephora, and then a 20% off your entire purchase, one-time use. And I just could not resist getting some stuff from the Sephora brand. The one I'm very excited about is this one. This was the Sephora number 40 foundation brush. I really love the shape of this one. To show you guys, so it almost has a really nice like triangular shade that goes upward, and I just thought that it was perfect for like blending out foundation. I just love the shape of it, and I don't have anything like this, so I thought this is like, I'm gonna need it, and it had 30% off. And then I also grabbed the Sephora Best Skin Ever in 6Y, just because I wanted to try it out. I think this was only like $13 with the discount, so I was so excited for that. And the next thing I want to show you guys is have you guys come create my Sephora cart with me. So I went ahead and got the 30% off from like Sephora brand, but that is because I am saving the 20% off to give to my boyfriend so that he can just buy my Sephora card as one of my gifts. So that is gonna be the next thing we are going to be doing. I'm gonna be taking you guys with me to scroll down through my laptop so that we can try to pick out and create this cart. But before I do that, let's go ahead and just make some dinner. So this is the finished result. I had to use all of my avocados because they're about to go bad, so it has more avocado than anything else, but I love avocados. And now it's time to make some rice and maybe some tostones and go from there. I have my laptop here. It is time to get this card going. Let me show you guys what I have so far, and I'm gonna try to put the screen recording around here. But this is what I have so far. So as of now, I have the Olaplex Bonding Frizz Reduction and Heat Protectant Hair Oil. I just feel like I need a better hair oil than what I have now. And then this one is so hard because do I really need this? But it's the Patrick Ta eyeshadow duo, and this is one of their new shades. It's called Color in Your Dreams. I swatched it. It is beautiful, but I keep telling myself, when am I gonna wear the shimmer shade? I mean, I can wear it to work and I can wear it to going out, but I don't know, $42 is a lot of money, even though I'm not gonna be the one that's paying for this, but I do have the 20% off, and that makes a difference. So I went ahead and added that. I added this, but I meant to go in store to check to see what it smells like. I feel like a lot of people are hyping up the cinnamon one, which is the like red one right here, I believe, but it's basically a mini whipped oil body cream, and I think it's the original one and then the cinnamon one. So for the price, it's only $27.20 and then the 20% off, and I thought it'd be nice, especially now that it's winter and it's freezing. This one's a very spontaneous kind of buy, which is the reason why I decided to do this online instead of just like a pickup in store. They don't have this brand in store, but it's basically the Luna Daily Mini Everywhere Spray to Wipe with Prebiotic. I just thought the concept of it was interesting, and I just wanted to try it because why not? So I added that in. Only $12, ain't that bad. And then, of course, I had to add a Rhode in there. This is the lip tint in Toast. I did have her other lip gloss, which I really like. This one has like the tint to it, so I thought I would like it, and I just chose a like more brownie shade. Now there is something that caught my eye. I just don't know if it's worth it, or actually there's like a couple things. The first one being this Glow Recipe Watermelon Dewy Flush. This is the color that I wanted to get. It's like a very nice, beautiful, like reddish, corally shade. But I feel like there's something about this that screams like summer to me, and I just don't know if I would wear it that much, if I'm being honest. But I did swatch it in store, and I really like what they're like, the fact that it has so many good skincare ingredients in it, so it makes me want to buy it. I also really like this Makeup by Mario Ethereal Eyes. I do have the one that he did prior to this one, so that's the only reason why I am going to pass. But there was something that caught my eye, and I cannot decide if I want to add it, but I feel like it was a contour palette, the new brand, and I cannot remember the brand's name. Oh, here it is. So Mary Phillips, and this is what it's looking like. I did see this in store, but I didn't really know who the brand was or anything like that, so I didn't really swatch the shades, which I totally regret now. But I feel like something like this I would use a lot. I wanted to look at Sephora brushes because, as you guys saw, this is the one that I got today. But there's also the concealer one that keeps calling my name. I do have this one, the number 2 concealer, so I don't know if I really need another one. And then there is something that I'm looking for, which is more of a like bronzer, like cream bronzer, I feel like is what I'm missing. But I feel like I need to see this in person. Alright, so what I am gonna add is the Ordinary Serum for Oily Skin, working with 16616, which honestly isn't that bad. And the only thing that might be on standby is the Mary Phillips. I'm gonna go ahead and like watch some videos and then decide from there if I want to keep it or add it, but 166 isn't that bad. So that is going to be my Sephora haul. I'm going to go ahead and send that to my boyfriend with the coupon, or more so take his card and pray for the best. This is where we're going to end the video, so hopefully you guys loved it. Let me know what should be my next video for the Christmas series, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.